Hello guys. Welcome to today's episode of Teach Tech Solve. Is another day to learn and keep learning.
Today's episode is made to teach you on how to download any computer softwares or application.
Alright guys, please, this is a step-by-step process you have to follow, so make sure you are on the desktop now. We will use Google Chrome browser to help navigate to the website we will download our computer softwares on. If you don't have Google Chrome, you can use any other browser on your computer. Now let's open the Google Chrome browser. Click in the address bar and type www.ninite.com. Ninite.com is a website that gives you free access to download computer softwares or applications very easy. Wow, now this is how the website interface look like, very beautiful with the Ninite logo. Let's check out the great features Ninite is giving us when we download softwares from here. Isn't that amazing to get all these features in a single download? Now let's look at how to download the computer applications. Ninite have many software categories ranging from web browsers, messaging, media, runtimes, imaging, documents applications and lot more.
What you have to do now is to select the applications you want to download to your computer from the list. You can select multiple applications, just like what I'm doing now. After selecting the applications you want to download, come down and click on Get Your Ninite. Wait a while to load your download link. Your files will start downloading. You check the download progress bar. When the download is complete, right-click on it and click on Open File Location. Double-click to open the just downloaded file and wait for the setup to complete. Ninite Installer will install all your application on your computer. Don't worry if you don't know how to install application on your computer, the Ninite Installer got you covered. Just relax and wait for the progress bar to finish and then enjoy working with you applications from the goal.